Wheels up soon in Antique as the Department of Transportation is shifting into high gear as it pushes forward with major infrastructure projects, starting with the long-awaited upgrade of Antique Airport. Pilar Mabacquiao from the Philippine Information Agency Antique files the report.
The Department of Transportation reaffirmed its commitment to fast-track the completion of key infrastructure projects in Antique, particularly the much-anticipated opening of the new passenger terminal of Antique Airport. Following the directive of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to ensure the government projects are done promptly with efficiency, the OTR Secretary Vivincio Dizon conducted an inspection of Antique Airport recently with Senator Loren Legarda. Dizon emphasized the importance of infrastructure projects like airports and seaports in driving regional development.
We came here upon the instructions of our President to really make sure that all the ongoing projects of the Department of Transportation are implemented faster. No? Kasi nga, all these projects, airports, ports, and other critical infrastructure, they're so important for our people. No? So we're here and we're so thankful to Senator Loren for hosting us and for taking us around and for giving us really the important insights that we need in the national government to really implement these projects faster and better.
He affirmed that the government is committed to expanding the airport's runway from its current 1.5 kilometers to 1.8 kilometers, making it capable of accommodating jet aircraft. With 1.7 billion already invested in the project, Dizon assured that the additional funding has been secured for further development in 2025 and 2026. On her part, Senator Loren Legarda acknowledged the DOTR's efforts in pushing the project forward.
When President Marcos landed here in his private plane and I was on board the flight, invited me and we were landing, he said, "Uy, Loren, ganda ng airport mo, pinaghirapan mo yan eh." Kasi alam niya, we were still colleagues in the Senate, linalagyan ko ng pondo every year through the DOTR budget and then eventually CAAP. But just to make it clear, for those who don't understand the budgetary process, the implementing agencies is never Congress, never the Senate, it's the DOTR CAAP.
From the Philippine Information Agency Antique, Pilar Mabacquiao for Balitang Pambansa.